Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV news. Now, these are the videos that I made on TikTok regarding Izingane Zestembu. Tell me, what are your views? What are your opinions? Ezinye, I'm a little bit behind, but you can never be too late for Umkosinyana. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and add your opinion while you edit. So I think we have judged Usne too soon. I really judged Usne too soon, right? I have judged Usne too soon. Usne is a good person. Usne is sweet. Yes, she's got her things, but she's sweet. The fact that we all know that she was Team Vuyokazi, but for her to accommodate Tirelo and for her to be okay and smooth and to not, but again, scamp and stuff like that. I really appreciate that. After they were cleaning the house, right? Because they were seen where they were called to clean the house. I don't know if the house was staged to be dirty or what, but nonetheless, they did that cleaning, right? Which was initiated by Yena Usni. Meaning Gucci she cares. We know her she was dirty in her own house, but yeah, because no, it looks like Mwanyana. Fine. Cleaned the house. Then she decided to know Mpilo called Tirelo to come over. Then they came over. Then they chilled. But they asked Mpilo about the other girlfriends that are coming if she's not scared. And you could see Ugo is trying to act nonchalant about things. But we can see right through everything, because why? Re family ya Thando Nestembu rena. Thando Nestembu ke rona ke Zingane Zestembu. Zingane Zestembu ke rona Zingane Zestembu. But I really applaud the ladies for making sure ukuthi they accommodate her, because it's very, like, I think she was gonna be isolated a lot if she was only supposed to ashabanele Mayeni Limseleku only the whole day, because you can see ukuthi Umpilo, he's having a nice time. Not Umpilo, Usbindi is having a nice time but like on the scene of the children with the cleaning and stuff, I salute Usni.